Is it normal for a 60-year-old woman to still have her period?
Hello, viewers. Today we're addressing an interesting topic that some of you might wonder about. Is it normal for a 60-year-old woman to still have her period? This is a topic that touches on women's health, the aging process, and the biology of the female body. Let's dive into it.
What is menopause?
Menopause is the point in time when a woman's menstrual periods stop permanently, and she can no longer become pregnant. The average age for menopause onset in the United States is 51 years old, but it can happen in the early 40s or even later in the 50s. Perimenopause. This is the transition to menopause. Hormone levels may start to decline, and a woman can experience symptoms like irregular periods, hot flashes, and mood changes. Postmenopause. This refers to the years after menopause. By this point, symptoms might decrease in severity, but new health risks related to reduced hormone levels might emerge.
Is it common for a 60-year-old woman to have periods?
In short, it is uncommon for a woman who is 60 years old to still have her period. By this age, most women have been through menopause and no longer have menstrual cycles. However, there are a few considerations. Late menopause. Some women naturally experience menopause later than the average. Factors might include genetics and overall health. Health conditions. Certain health conditions or treatments might lead to irregular bleeding even after menopause, which may resemble periods but are not the same. It's essential to see a doctor if there's unexpected bleeding at this age. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Some women take HRT to manage menopausal symptoms. This therapy might cause bleeding similar to a menstrual cycle, depending on the type and dosage of hormones.
What should you do if you experience bleeding at 60?
If a woman experiences what seems like a period after having gone a full year without any menstrual bleeding, which typically signifies menopause, 1. Don't panic. Remember that there can be various reasons for postmenopausal bleeding. 2. See a doctor. It's crucial to see a gynecologist or primary care doctor to rule out health concerns, especially as some conditions might require prompt attention. 3. Track symptoms. Take note of any other symptoms or changes you might experience. This information will be useful when discussing with your doctor. In summary, while it's uncommon for a 60-year-old woman to still have her period, there are scenarios where bleeding can occur. Always prioritize your health, and if in doubt, seek professional advice. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic. Stay informed and take care.